Most med spa ads look good, but do they actually book clients? Today we're going to rewrite one live so you can see exactly what you can fix. All right, so there's another ad pulled directly from the meta ad library. And while it is visually strong, I'm not going to play the video here. I just want to work on the copy. It may not be doing what it needs to be doing in terms of booking appointments. So the ad says, attention Naples and surrounding areas. Okay, good call out here. Introducing Ativa, revolutionary treatment that goes beyond the surface to rejuvenate skin from the inside out. What makes Ativa so special? It's not just about looking good on the outside, it's about creating a strong, resilient foundation underneath. Ativa Ativa targets the structural depths of the skin, boosting collagen and elastin production for a firmer, more youthful appearance. Imagine enhancing the effects of popular treatments like neuromodulators and fillers. With Ativa, those treatments receive the support needed to truly transform the look. Ready to see the difference? For a limited time only, a free skin tightening and fat reducing consultation, plus a $1,000 gift voucher, good towards our most popular Ativa treatment package. Click Learn More and discover how Ativa can help achieve a youthful, radiant glow and glow naturally and effectively. And the headline is Unlock the Secret to Youthful Skin. All right, so this sounds like a textbook. The copy is filled with scientific claims and industry buzzwords, right? We got structural depths here. We've got boosting collagen, elastin production, right? That's not how real people talk or buy. It talks about the treatment, not the transformation. What will Ativa do for me? Will I look younger, smoother, more confident? That never gets really clearly spelled out. There's also no emotional hook in this ad copy. The copy never taps into the frustration or desire someone might be feeling when they're thinking about skin tightening, like sagging, aging, or low confidence. The offer is buried and wordy. A free consultation plus a $1,000 gift voucher is great, but it's hidden under long blocks of text, and it's not clear who it's for or why I should act. There's also no urgency or exclusivity, right? Limited time, this is vague. There's no countdown, no cap on consult, no fear of missing out. Let's rewrite this ad using the same structure we use in our $97 rewrite service. I'm gonna go here, let me first copy or take a screenshot of this ad real quick. Let's make this a little smaller so I can get all of it. So let's take a screenshot of the ad. Let's bring that over here to this document. I'm gonna call this optimal wellness med spa Naples ad rewrite. And we're gonna grab that image, upload from computer. There it is. Let's make this much smaller so we get room for the copy and headline we're gonna write. All right. Space. And let's just make that. All right. So let's dive in. Ad copy. All right. Start working on the ad copy. So we're going to call out Naples. So we're going to say, Naples ladies want to lift, tighten, and look refreshed without surgery. Ativa is our go-to treatment for firmer, smoother, younger looking skin. And right now, your first consult is free. Plus, we're giving you a $1,000 gift voucher toward our most popular skin tightening packages. No needles, no downtime, just real results. Only 7 consults left this week. DM Glow to claim yours now at Optima Wellness MedSpa Naples. Boom. That's the ad copy. And so let's talk about the changes that we made to the ad copy, right? So we got the local emotional hook here, you know, calling out Naples ladies, want to lift, tighten, and look refreshed without surgery, right? Is specific, visual, and speaks to how people want to feel. We added some plain, punchy language, right? We took out all the clinical jargon and replaced it with transformation focused conversational copy, right? Our go to treatment for firm, smoothie, younger looking skin. And right now, your first consult is free. Clear benefits, right? We front loaded the offer, free consult plus $1,000 gift voucher, right? And paired it with outcomes people care about, right? Firmer skin, smoother texture, no surgery. We created some urgency that feels real, right? Only 7 consults this week. This creates tension and a reason to act now. The tone is energetic and direct. It feels like a confident recommendation from someone who knows their stuff, not a science lecture or brochure. Let's add in some headlines here. So let's throw in some headline options. So you had unlock the secret to youthful skin. Let's get $1,000 off skin tightening, and then tighter skin, tighter. And you can play around with these. Tighter skin, no surgery. All right, boom, and that's it. This is exactly what we do in our $97 ad rewrite. We take what you're already running and make it actually book clients. Want your ad rewritten like this one? Grab the $97 ad rewrite. The link is in the bio above or in the description below.